If you wake up feeling like a leftover slice of pizza, cold, stiff, and questionable, then today's video is going to change your life. Because we're talking about deep sleep, the kind of sleep that makes you wake up feeling fresh, alive, and maybe even capable of doing your laundry before 10 a.m. And the best part? No supplements, no pills, no expensive gadgets, just simple, real habits that actually work. Let's get into it. You ever wake up from 8 hours of sleep and still feel like you're running on the same batteries your TV remote uses when it's about to die? That's because not all sleep is created equal. You've got light sleep, REM sleep, and then there's deep sleep, the good stuff, the stage where your brain basically hits the factory reset button. If deep sleep were a person, it'd be that friend who helps you move furniture and never asks for anything back. So yeah, you want more of that friend. But here's the issue. Most of us are doing things every day that absolutely wreck our deep sleep without even realizing it. Let's fix that. Tip 1. Set a bedtime for your brain, not just your body. So picture this. You decide you're going to bed at 11 p.m. Great. But your brain is like, oh, bedtime, perfect. Let me think about every embarrassing thing you've ever done. Your brain doesn't shut off like a light switch. It needs a wind-down routine, something that tells it, hey, buddy, it's time to power down, not open 82 tabs. And it doesn't have to be fancy. No candles, no monk chanting, no sitting on the floor like you just discovered inner peace. Just pick a simple routine and repeat it every night. Take a warm shower, dim some lights, do a couple of minutes of stretching, read a few pages of a book, or do something low effort. It's like training a dog, except the dog is your brain, and honestly, it's way less obedient. Tip number 2, get real morning light. This one is basically a cheat code. Most of us wake up, grab our phones, scroll, and let the day smack us in the face. But your body has something called a circadian rhythm, basically the world's most dramatic biological clock. And the fastest way to set it is morning light. And no, staring into your ring light like you're about to film a makeup tutorial does not count. Just go outside. 5 minutes if it's sunny, 10 to 15 minutes if it's cloudy, longer if you live somewhere the sun is more of a myth. This tells your brain, hey, it's daytime now, and later it'll know when to wind down. Result, naturally deeper sleep. Tip number 3, cut late-night dopamine. Let's be honest, most of us are on TikTok at 1 a.m. watching someone make a sandwich that requires 27 ingredients and a blowtorch. Or we're binge-watching shows even though the characters have ruined our lives emotionally. It's a good time, sure, but your brain is confused. It's like, oh, we're in survival mode? Better stay fully awake. You don't have to ditch your phone, just switch to low dopamine stuff an hour before bed. Chill videos, calming music, some boring nature documentary where the narrator whispers about coral reefs. Your brain will calm down instead of acting like it just drank a double espresso. Tip number 4, keep your bedroom cool. Simple rule. Your bedroom should be cool, not freezing, not tropical. Think nice hoodie weather. When your body temperature drops, it triggers deeper sleep. If you've ever tried sleeping in a hot room, you know it feels like someone is slow cooking your soul. Cool room equals better deep sleep. It's that straightforward. Tip number 5, avoid eating too close to bed. Listen, midnight snacks hit different. Cereal at night, magical. Leftover pizza, a spiritual experience. But your body can't get into deep sleep if it's busy digesting a whole burrito right before bed. Try to stop eating 2 to 3 hours before you sleep. If you're truly hungry, go for something small, like yogurt, fruit, or half a sandwich, not a full Thanksgiving dinner. You'll sleep deeper when your stomach isn't filing a complaint. Tip number 6, watch your caffeine timing. Sorry. Look, I'm not telling you to quit coffee. I'm not evil. But caffeine hangs out in your system for hours, like that one guest at a party who doesn't realize it's time to leave. So try this. No caffeine after 2 p.m. If you're sensitive, make it noon. Your future self, the one trying to sleep, will appreciate it. Tip number 7, do a quick brain dump. You ever get into bed and suddenly your brain wants to solve every problem on Earth? Did I pay that bill? What if my car breaks tomorrow? Why do crouton bags sound like fireworks?
Your brain does this because it thinks bedtime is brainstorming time. Fix it by doing a simple 2-minute brain dump. Write down anything you need to do tomorrow, anything that's stressing you, anything you don't want to forget. It doesn't have to be neat or organized. The goal is to empty the mental clutter so your brain can chill. Tip number 8. Make your bedroom a sleep-only zone. Your bed should not be your office, your gaming setup, your YouTube command center, your midnight snacking headquarters. When your bedroom is multi-purpose, your brain gets confused. Make it a sleep cue, a place where your body automatically relaxes. Use your bed for just 2 things: sleep and bedtime bonding. You know the one. Tip number 9. Move your body, even a little. You don't need to train for a marathon. You don't need to bench press anything. You don't even need a gym membership. Just move. Walk, stretch, do a little home workout. Dance around your kitchen like you're starring in your own music video. Even light activity makes your body want deeper sleep later. If you use energy during the day, your body will restore it at night. Tip number 10. Respect your natural rhythm. Some people are early birds, some are night owls, some are just permanently confused. Trying to force yourself into the wrong schedule can make deep sleep harder. If your life allows it, try following your natural rhythm. Just keep it consistent. Your body loves consistency. It sleeps deeper when it knows what to expect. Bonus tip: laugh more. Yep, real science on this one. Laughing reduces stress hormones that mess with sleep. So watch something funny, talk to friends who crack you up, or just find little things to enjoy during the day. Being happier during the day leads to deeper sleep at night. Your brain won't be wrestling with stress when it should be recharging. Final thoughts. Deep sleep isn't magic. It's not something you need special supplements or fancy tech for. It's just simple habits that tell your body, hey, it's safe, it's calm, it's time to recharge. When you start getting more deep sleep, everything improves. Your mood, your focus, your energy, your patience, even your face looks more alive. Try these tips, not all at once, just 1 or 2 at a time. And who knows, you might finally wake up feeling like a fresh croissant instead of a stale cracker. If this helped you, stick around for more tips that make life simpler. And let me know in the comments, what's the one thing that ruins your sleep the most? Thanks for watching, and may your sleep tonight be incredibly, wonderfully deep.